Hey guys, I just want to make a quick video to trade in your iPhone back to Apple and get it prepared to ship it back out to UPS. So really quickly, all you want to do is obviously unlock your phone. This is the one I'm going to be trading in. So you want to go into settings, and then obviously you want to sign out of your Apple ID. So quickly go into your settings, click into your Apple ID, and then hit sign out. It's going to prompt you to type in your code for your Apple ID to get all signed out of it. From there, what you want to do next is go back into settings. From there, what you want to do is scroll all the way down to general. Once you click general, what you want to do is go all the way down to here. You'll see transfer or reset iPhone. You want to click that. You want to make sure to hit erase all content and settings. Once you do that, your phone's going to reset. It's going to start going through like the whole reset process and delete everything from your phone, just like it's starting from brand new. All right, guys, I'm in my car because I'm literally going to return my things right here, right now. I don't want to show the receipt for the return here, but now that you've disconnected your Apple ID and reset your iPhone and erased everything off, you should see the screen pop up just like you're actually setting up a brand new iPhone. Now really quick guys, make sure you get like a clip or an earring or something to get your SD card out. That'll really just make sure that this phone is brand spanking new for whoever's gonna have it next. I'm gonna keep my screen protector on there because it's like literally perfect. But now all we have to do is put it into the box, so I'm going to show you how to do that. Like I said, I'm not going to show the contents of the boxes. I just don't want everybody to see my address and everything. But in the box, you'll get this tape. This is the tape that's going to be used to close up the box. So like this, you'll put the tape right here. I'm not going to show my address and everything, so I just don't feel like it. But yeah, you want to put that tape right across there. I'll show you that in a second here. So that's one thing in the box. Then you obviously have your returning receipt right here that you want to put on top, and I'll show that in a second here. And then obviously you have this kind of like instruction manual that doesn't do anything for you, which kind of sucks. Guys, come on, make it easier. That's why I'm making this video. All right, so let's take out the main portion of this, which is this. Now, super easy to do. I'll show you how to do this. All right, so this is kind of confusing, but you go underneath here. You'll lift this up, this piece up. Remember, it was down here. You want to lift this up here, and this is where you slide in your phone so that it's protected during the transportation of your device. Alrighty, so at the end of the vault, I just slid my phone literally through that, then went ahead and closed the slits again. Just like that, so your device will be like that. Make sure to power it off. I charged it all the way to 100% just for Apple because I'm a nice guy, but that's how it should look. And then you just want to grab your box here and then literally put it in just like that and then close up the box. All right, now that you've closed off the box, like I said, I'm not going to show my shipping label or anything, but you have this piece of paper that came inside the package. And you also have this 3M piece, so you're just going to want to cover this to keep everything closed. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So your package should be closed off just like this. As you can see, have it closed off. Make sure it's nice and sealed like that. Super nice. There you go. And then you have your returning prepaid label. So it's already paid for and everything by Apple. But now we just gotta put that on the other side. I'm not gonna do it for you here, but you get the deal. You put this sticker onto the other side on top of what was has your shipping information and all that. And then you take it to UPS and you're all set to go. All right, guys, I wish I could show you the other side to make it a lot easier, but I went ahead and put the returning receipt thing on top there. And then, as you can tell, the brand new one's like laying on top of the old one right on the other side. I got the 3M tape on there. Of course, you can tape it down, but I think this is plenty and it's awesome. And now you're ready to return it to UPS. And you're all set to go to get your money back. And I know for your trade-in, they already gave you your trade-in money back, but just to make sure that your balance is low and you get refunded the actual money, just make sure to return the device. You have 14 days to do it. If you don't do it, then they will charge you for the full device as a brand new device without a trade-in. And I learned that the hard way, the other way around, because last time I forgot to return it in time after that 14 days, and I was charged the full amount. So this time I'm not gonna mess it up. So I got everything in there, and then of course you just got your leftovers. Just throw that bad boy out. But super easy. I hope this helped.